Alright, so we have way too big issue with wasps in hives. So no matter if they are good or not, they are just like trying to enter in every single hive. And the thing is, they are actually doing pretty good job. So they are killing a lot of them. So you can see over here, like 3, 4, on another side, like even more. Then this hive, so many dead wasps. And every single hive is basically battling them really well, but I do notice when you can see like over here so many of them, but I do notice when it's really early they just enter. So that's my main issue. So you can see this one, so this one is actually destroying a lot. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. There is like 3 more, and I don't know what is wrong with this season, but there are just way too many, and because of that I need to find a trap, some like way to defend it, because they're crazy. What I see most of the time, you can see this one is destroying the bee, and what I can see a lot of time is that they actually go over here on the enter, they pick up the bee, they drop bee in the bottom area, and over here they just like cut it fully into pieces and they bring it like to their own hive. So it's pretty insane an amount of, you can see this one is doing exactly that. She pick a live bee in the entrance, she drop it down, and now she's cutting her into pieces. You can see, oh, she just fly off. But yeah, this is what she's looking for her. This is what is remaining. But she would just pick this when it's not too heavy. She would just like pick whole bee and just bring it away. So it's actually insane. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like there is so many. Look at this one. She's just trying to enter, and now I saw on the internet one trap which is working really good, and we are going to test it, and we are just going to see how much wasps we can get today. So it's super simple. You need one wood, something like that, then you need some nails, you need liquid, and I'm going to show you why, or detergent for dishes, and you need some chicken. So over here I have some chicken meat. It's a bit too much, but you don't need that many. I actually need to put them all in the middle. So we have this for dish. It's going to stay like here, so we need water until at least here. Alright, so I believe that would be good. So if you put it like this, it's really good. So you can see, once they take piece of the meat, they will actually start flying, and because meat is heavy, they will actually go like few centimeters below, and that's why they are going to touch the water and they will drown. But there is one thing which you need to know as well. So you see, I was basically over here for 1 minute and they already smell it, so this will work for sure. I want to show you why we need this thing inside as well. So we are going to do one test. If we can catch one bee, wasp, like here, so one wasp, and if I drop it here, look what happens. She can fly away. And now if I take this inside, you don't need that much, by the way, just few drops, but I didn't want it to fail because I'm doing it for the first time. Alright, I guess this is good. We mix it, and now if we take one wasp, look what will happen. Alright, we finally have one, and look what will happen when I drop it. She's in, wings are already inside, and there is nothing what she can do. Like, she cannot fly away from this. So another one, I'll just try to drop it slowly. You see? There is like nothing they can do. And now we put it like this, and we just wait. So now is, let me see, now is 11:57 in the morning. So we are going to check this like probably every single hour just to see how is it going. But first I'm going to show you those wasps which are already there. So sadly I didn't record, but this one picked the food and she went in. I'll wait for another one. So I need to be really careful because we have another one, and we are just going to stay here and watch it. And she escaped. And what I also want to show you is that this is now clear, and at the end bottom will probably be like full of that chicken pieces which they actually cut, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be in the bottom or it's gonna float. Alright, so we have another one, and I'm actually, you can see it like over here in the middle, and I'm actually curious if I made mistake, because this piece of meat is actually touching the water, so they will be able to probably just swim if they are like lucky enough until here and then just go and escape. So that's probably something what I didn't pay attention on, and yeah, if you do that, pay attention not to have something like that. So let's see for this wasp if she's going to successfully take the meat or if she's going to fall into trap. She's about to break it, I think. Alright, now she's about to break it. Alright, she's low. Alright, any other wasp would already take that piece. Look, we have butterfly. You see it? I'm starting to shake because my back is actually hurting a lot, and she's still not done. Alright, she should be done any moment now. I can see it. Now it should be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop. Now it's over. And that's it. So the meat fell down. So meat is going down. You can see it. And she was somewhere here. So inside. So trap is working really good. Let's see what is going to be in 1 hour from now. Peace. Alright, so in 3 minutes is going to be 1 p.m. and that means that this trap was here for 1 whole hour, and this is what we have right now. So pretty good, not going to lie, for first hour. They still didn't smell it, but I did notice that there is way more wasps. So yeah. Thing is, we also have 1 hornet, so that's pretty good. And now I have this, and we are going to count them for the first hour. So it's a bit windy, but let's see. 1 hornet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 8. 5 and 2 flies. 3 and 1 fly. 4 and 2 flies. And that's it. Oh, we have another one. So that's first hour. So bees are actually flying like crazy today. It's first sunny day after a long time. And now, next hour... Oh, sadly, butterfly is in as well. We have, I do believe, less than before. And we actually have one bee as well. Alright, let's see. So, 2 bees and 3 wasps. 5 wasp and 2 fly. 3 flies and 2 wasps. And 4 wasp and 3 fly. So that's it. Alright, so next hour or 3 hours since we did the trap, and this is last time that I'm checking it today, and I'm going to check it tomorrow next time. And honestly, it's looking okay, but I can already see that there is one bee, and this is only happening because bees right now are just going and chilling on top of the hives and something like that, and usually that's not the case. So this is first time in like week that we actually have sunny hot day, which means all the bees which just emerged in the last week, this is first time that they are actually going out or something like that, and that's the reason why we have like more of them here. So over here, let's do the count. So I can actually do it like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 wasps, 10 wasps and 1 bee, and plenty of flies, which means I'm going to catch them all. And now I'm going to drop this here, and we are going to see how much of them we can get until tomorrow, probably like 24 hours. So that's it. Peace. I just came here, like it's legit. First thing which I see is that we are missing the piece. So I don't know what happened over here. Probably some animal, but yeah, for sure some animal. Well, I mean, it was kind of expected. I was supposed to put some brick probably on top, so I don't know what to say. So we have extra 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 wasps and 1 bee. So pretty much I do believe that this is way better than these things, because this over here is like for 2 weeks. It did collect a lot of hornets actually, and this one I do believe we got like 50 of them in only like few hours, but sadly we didn't see it how much we would get after whole 24 hours. So now it's like 9 EM. So yeah, that's it with this experiment. So peace. So just to show you what I mean, so this is like after experiment. So there is one, you see, they just go directly into hive because there is no one protecting it. It's cold, it's really cold today, and we just need one like wasp, and you're gonna see that they are going to directly enter. So there are some bees flying still, but honestly there is no one protecting. So this one just dropped the hive, that dropped the bee which was flying to the entrance, and now they're fighting. And of course, like, bee has zero chance. I cannot like film it because she is really annoying, but I just want to find one wasp which is just like going inside. Oh, there is another one. She just catch live bee, and now they are fighting, and bee has zero chance. You saw? She just went fully in because there is no one protecting it because it's cold. Insane.